Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video we are going to understand the program which finds frequency of a substring in a string. First, let us take some examples. For input man and the man, the output should be 2 as man occurs twice in the man. Next, let us have a look at the algorithm. We take two sample strings, geek and geeks, and pass it to is substring function. Next, we take two integers m and n, which will store the lengths of string txt and pat respectively, and a res variable initialized to 0. Now, we run a for loop from 0 to n minus m, and also an inner for loop from 0 to m. Pattern at index I plus j is g, and pattern at j is also g. As they are equal, the if condition inside the inner for loop does not get satisfied and j will be incremented. Again, pattern at I plus j and text at j are equal, so the if condition doesn't get satisfied and we increment j. Again, pattern at I plus j and text at j are equal, so we increment j. Again, the if condition doesn't get satisfied and we have iterated in the inner for loop, and on coming out value of j will be 4. We check if j is equal to m. As it is, we increment res and reset j to 0. We continue with the outer for loop, and now I will be 1. Pattern at I plus j is e and pattern at j is g. As they are not equal, the if condition gets satisfied and we break out of the inner for loop. And as j is not equal to m, the outer if condition doesn't get satisfied. Since we have iterated in the outer for loop, we come out of it and return res, which is 1, to the main function and print it. So this is the final output. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.